Hello students, in the previous class we were discussing about the operators available in C, right? And in this we studied about all the arithmetic operators. So next we have relational operators. Relational operators. So relational operators means, for example, assume that we have to compare any two quantities. For example, assume that we have two numbers, that 7 and 3, and I am comparing this number, that is which is a greater number anta. I have two numbers 7 and 3, then I am comparing that which is a greater number. So in order to do a comparisons, we are using a relational operators. Either I can compare which is a greatest number or a smallest number, or whether the numbers are equal, whether the given two numbers are equal or not. So in order to do those comparisons, we are using a relational operators. For example, assume that I have to compare the marks of two students, and I am giving a result by comparing the marks of a students. Like that, for the comparisons we are using a relational operators in order to take some decisions. So what is the decisions we are taking? For example, in these two numbers I have to compare which is a greater number. So after comparing these numbers, or after comparing these two numbers, then I am going to take a decision which is a greater number or which is a smallest number. Like that, in order to perform those operations, we are using a relational operators. And the expression which contains a relational operator, that type of expression is nothing but relational expression. Relational expression. For example, assume that if I consider one expression a less than b, a less than b, or I can give 1 less than 20. I am comparing these. Here I can compare a less than b. For a and b I can give any values, I can compare, or here directly I have specified the values, that is 1 less than 20. So and here this whatever this less than operator we have, it is nothing but a relational operator. Here in this expression 1 less than 20, it contains a relational operator. So this expression is called as relational expression. And always the value of a relational expression is either 1 or 0. The value or the result of relational expression is either 1 or 0. Here 1 is nothing but true and 0 is nothing but false. So the result of relational expression is either true or false. For example, here I am checking 1 less than 20. So here 1 less than 20 is true alva. 1 20 ginta kadime ide. So 1 less than 20 andre enu? It is true. So the result of this expression is True. If I give 1 greater than 20, it is false. 1 is not greater than 20. So here the result is False. So these are nothing but relational expressions. And in C programming we have many relational operators. That is, we have 6 relational operators. C supports 6 relational operators. C supports 6 relational operators. Those are first one is less than, is less than, is less than. Next, greater than, is greater than. Next, less than or equal to, is less than or equal to. Next, greater than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. Next, double equals. This is equal to, is equal to. Then not equal, is not equal to. These are the relational operators we have in a C program. First one less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Not equal to. And in order to write a relational expression, so after first operand, for example here A, after this operand you have to write any relational operator. For example, A equal to B, or A not equal to B, A less than B, A greater than B, then A less than or equal to B, then A greater than or equal to B, like this. For example, if I write 6 is equal to 5, here the result is what? False. Then 6 is equal to 6, it is what? True. Then 6 less than 5, false, because 6 is greater than 5. Then 6 greater than 5, true. Then 6 less than or equal to 5, false. Then 6 less than or equal to 6, it is true. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 6 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 6 ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ 6 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6 ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ದೆನ್ 6 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್? ಟ್ರೂ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, 4 less than 7 plus 3. So if I have any expression, this is an arithmetic expression, right? If I have any expression, first the expression is evaluated. This expression is evaluated to what? 4 less than, what is 7 plus 3? 10. First the arithmetic expression is evaluated. Now it will evaluate a relational operator. First ಈ expression evaluate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ next relational operator evaluate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 less than 10. 4 less than 10 is what? True. ಈ ಥರ ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು? ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟೆಡ್, ಲೇಟರ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Relational operator complements. Among the 6 relational operators, each one is a complement of another operator. ನನಗೆ 6 relational operators ಇದೆ. Each operator is a complement of another operator. ಈಗ for example, if I consider a greater than, so greater than is a complement of, complement ಅಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. Greater than is a complement of less than or equal to. Greater than is a complement of less than or equal to ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ 6, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ 6 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 7 ಅಂತ. ಈಗ 6 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 7 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. True is a complement of false and false is a complement of true. 6 greater than 7 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? Greater than or equal to, and equal to is a complement of not equal to. Equal ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Equal to is a complement of not equal to. Greater than is a complement of greater than or less than or equal to, and less than is a complement of greater than or equal to. Then equal to is a complement of what? Not equal to. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 6 is equal to 5 ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. These are not equal. ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. And here we are going to write the complements. That is, complement symbol is denoted by this, not. This is a complement symbol. So, not of x less than y. Not of x less than y and it's a complement of x less than y. Less than the complement x greater than or equal to y. Less than the complement less than is a complement of what? Greater than or equal to. So, complement of x less than y can be written as what? X greater than or equal to y. Then, complement of x greater than y is what? X less than or equal to y. Then, complement of x not equal to y. Not equal to the complement x equal to y. Then, ಅದೇ ಥರ complement of x greater than or equal to y. ಈಗ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈ. ದೆನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈ. Then complement of x equal to y is what? X not equal to y. Like this we can write the complement. So these are the relational expressions we are using in C. We have a 6 relational operators, which are those: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and what? Not equal to. Thank you.